What up? This is the 307 Killer. We just got done crossing over to this side. But yeah, creeks are running. It's froze here some places. But yeah, I found me a place to cross right there. So, but yeah, we're gonna go look around. Maybe we might find some deer horns today. You never know. Like I said, there should be something off by now. So, because last year we found a bunch of them. Let's see what we got going here. Oh, some beef sticks around. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can find us some white-tailed deer horns here. Back east, they're already popping off, but here in Wyoming, it's a little colder, so they stay on longer, you know. That's the bad thing about it here, because at nighttime they'll freeze back on, thaw out next day, freeze back on, so it does take a little while for them here. So it all depends how the weather is, if it's below zero or whatever, you know. But yeah, we're gonna get it on today, see if we can find something. I don't know though, but we're gonna check it out. Peace out, 307 Killer.